Hi guys, so today I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my cheapest squishies. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and let's get on to the video. Okay, well, first I have is this strawberry, and you guys might know where this is from like already. Comment down below if you guys know where this is from. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it is from the dollar store, and this was like only $1 because it's from the dollar store. And it's actually a really good squishy, I would say. They have like different types. I saw like an orange, I saw like a lemon, I saw the strawberry, and I saw like a pineapple, and I saw some animals, but I didn't really want any animals. I wanted a strawberry because I always wanted a strawberry squishy. So yeah, this was only $1. Okay, then I have this cake right here. It's really cool, and like there's this like hole right there. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. Okay. Wait. Okay. Then I have is this. Wait, no. Sorry. Then I have this ice cream. This is only like about like $3, so it's like kind of cheap actually, from Walmart. This is from Michael's. Walmart. This is from. Then I have another one from Walmart. It's like this Swiss roll, cake roll thing. Yeah. It smells amazing. Yeah. Okay. What's really cool, there's like a purple one, but I wanted the pink one. Smells like amazing. Then you guys might be surprised about this one. Okay. Well, this one is only $3, and it's from Justice. I got this for Christmas, and my mom was like, "Ooh, it was a good deal," so she got it for me. And yeah, and me and my sister like have the same one. She gave me hers. This actually might be hers because I think I remember hers having that big defect right there, but that's okay because I still love it. And yep, it's so cool. Okay, it's only $3 from Justice. Then I got like this football crush ball from the dollar store. I have two of them actually, but like this one has like the really weird hole. Wait, oh, it was the other one, but same thing really. It was only like $1 from the dollar store. Yeah, $1 for that. Whoa. Okay. Then I have this ice cream right here. It is only like about, I got this from FYE. It's only $7, so that's really cheap because in Justice, I remember this being like $15 or like $20. So I got this for like a really good deal, so I got it. Okay. Then my next one is from FYE. They have really good squishies, and they're huge, and they're like so soft and squishy. Is this unicorn? It is like rainbow one. So yep. And this was only about like $3, $2. So yeah, it's like a really good deal for this one. And then I have this blind squish delish, and check out the video that like I made about this like opening. I actually made it like yesterday, I think, the day before that. It's like Squishy License Series 6. Then I have this macaroon, I think it is. Yeah, macaroon. There's 3 of them right here. It's airy. This is only about like $4, $5. Not too expensive. I like lots of cheap squishies, guys. Then I have this one from Walmart. It's $3. The like Squishium brand, I think it was. I don't really know, something like that. Like this. Then another cheap one is the same brand, Squishium from Walmart. It's amazing. Okay. Then then the next cheap one is this Monster Squish Delish, license on the bottom. This monster. I only have 2 Squish Delishes. They're really good, actually. This is like the series 4, I think. 3. Yeah, and they are blind bags, guys. Then I have like at least 2 more. Oh, yeah, 2 more. This like Swiss roll, cake roll thing. Right here. It's blue. Then the last one is the s'more. This one was from Five Below. They have squishies there. And this was like a really good deal. So I got it. And yeah. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today's video. And those are all like really my cheap squishies that I could like find in like my bin right here. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.